crack-lacking people, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a brand new video on the Fiat 500X. Today's video, getting this driver's door sorted. As you know or may not know, the driver's door, the lock mechanism does not lock, so it's not latching onto the body, so the door just flings open as if it's not closed, if that makes sense. Secondly, we need to assess the damage on the passenger side, where the damage is on the vehicle, what's made the car a Cat S. We need to assess the damage to make sure that it's not too far gone and it's not going to cost me a fortune. So we do have a driver's door. Remember, I had that ordered already, so we're just sourcing a rear door. It's been ages looking for a rear door. I can't seem to find one anywhere, so fingers crossed something pops up, or I will be having to pay £500 and maxing out my credit cards. So guys, I'm not left with no peas when it comes to this these rebuilds. I'm using credit cards. Everything I'm doing is on credit, so I need to get something sorted, and I need to make sure I get the cards paid up, so we're not going to fall into too much debt. Anyways, let's get into it. Another thing we're doing, going to Audi today. So once this store is done, we need to heat Audi, go pick up a few parts. So let's get into it, guys. Peace. Right, guys, how you do it is you pop this little cover off. There's a hex underneath there, and then you pop this thing underneath there off, and there's a hex underneath there. We also got one, as you can see there, and at the bottom another one there. And we do also have another Phillips there, and then you just pull, hold on, and then you just pull the door card off. As you can see, guys, I got my toolkit out, nice, ready for action. Boom, let's get onto it. Shout out Aldi there, mate, and help. And here's one I did earlier to save the time and effort. I just thought I'll show you how we do it. Door cards off, as you can see. It's quite fiddly pulling it off, however it is very simple. It's just a straight pull off, and then when you get to the top, you lift it over this sort of thing, because it sort of sits over here. So but yeah, let's get this locking mechanism assembly changed. Let's get into it. So guys, good news, the door actually works now without even having to change the locking mechanism, so that's a little bit of a saving. We can actually take that part back. Someone else might need it. Yeah, I don't want to hang on to it because someone else might be looking for that, and I got it quite cheap. So let's go and take that part back on another day. But for today, let's get the door card back on, seeing as this thing is now working. Fingers crossed it stays working. I'll hang on to that door assembly thing for now, and I'll just put everything back together because it seems to be working fine. We need MOT on this car as well. However, once this car is done, we need to go to Audi and pick up some parts for another build that we got going on. So stay tuned for that one. I will just keep doing these videos flawlessly. I will keep dropping videos and keep you guys entertained with all the cars. We are doing car trading. We're not doing salvage builds here. Even though we are doing car trading. So we're just going to be, content might be all over the place, but I will document all the cars we have, fix them up, and put them up for sale. So let's get into it, guys. Get this door car back on and hit Audi MOT as well for this car today. Let's get into it. Peace. Right, guys, we're almost there. I've got 2 of the hexes in, just got 3 more screws to put in. I'll show you what it looks like though. As you can see, you got 1 hex there, and you got 1 there, and then it's just 1 screw at the bottom, and obviously, there we go, 1 there, and 1 there, and 1 at the bottom, and then plug the light in. That, and there you go. Once we lock it and open it, it's working. Door card's back on as it should, guys. And 1 second. Door shut, door open, door shut, door open. We're all good on that one, man. Top tip, always use the right tools. So just because they all look the same, guys, doesn't mean they fit the screws as they should. So make sure you try each one of them heads and the screws fit in really nice and snug, so you don't round up the screws or leave